Make way for the SOV.
JME. Serious.
Baby blue. Bass and rebels.
Hands ill and skillin'. Blast.
What you mean? Joseph Jr. Adam Milgar.
Miss Bass.
Everybody knows that I'm not a goody-goody, cause I'm rocking my Adidas hoodie. You might not see me on the streets at night, but you definitely see me with free stripes. Everybody knows that I'm not a goody-goody, cause I'm rocking my Adidas hoodie. You might not see me on the streets at night, but you definitely see me with free stripes.
I'm a shower face man and I'm going on shower. In my Adidas hoodie going on shower. Skeptics going on so shower. The oldest give me straps like power. And I'm on the same vibe as sovereign. If the jacket ain't got a hood I ain't bothering. But sometimes I go to the shops and they try to learn my no hats, no hoods. But I still wear Adidas when I get dressed. Boy better know I dress to impress, cause I gotta look my best. And I might see a writer that works for the press with beautiful breasts, so I gotta make sure my dress code is blessed. So when I ask her out for a drink, I make sure she says yes.
I like my trackies big and baggy. That's right for my flatty batty. Hoodie sagging, free shot slagging. Fresh decades I sold these fashion. Free strap but not like Tesco. I need that hoodies I got the best though. My dress code don't involve dresses. I got a hoodie fetish. Who's she, who's that, who's her? It's soaring in it. Who's she, who's that, who's her? It's that big midget. She likes, he likes, we like our free stripes. Him who had what, everybody heard. Him who had what, everybody heard. She likes, he likes, we like our free stripes. Him who had what, everybody heard. Him who had what, everybody heard.
You might see me in my Adidas hoodie. Can't chat shit to me, I rep fully. Free stripes, flagged out to my feet. Right, if it ain't exclusive, then it ain't for me. Pictures press on airs at all times. Hoods up like say we're all on crime. Gotta look fine, fine. The free stripes feel right, especially if I see grime. Hood up. If you wanna see my face, there's two words to say to you, and that's good. Yeah, got a tin off. This one or that one, let me think. Gosh, tops with hoods, yeah, I rock them. I'm from the hood, so yeah, I love them. So if you see me in the ends with my hood, it don't mean that I'm a hoodlum. With Adidas, I gone too far. I rock my free shirt just like it's a scar. They give me free clothes because I'm a star. Knock off of me, but I told them nah. Take it how you want, you can call it a par, but I'm big in the game like Double D Bar. Merkel man is gonna go far. I'm so hot, you can call me tar. And just for the record, but Adidas tracksuits that's Nike. Adidas sponsor, so just circle. So look good, so cash I get a more. Yeah, 2 4, I'm on for the next war. Scissor in the video, one table. Jet rock the world, that's my label. So purchase if you're able.
She likes, he likes, we like our free stripes. Him who had what, everybody heard. Him who had what, everybody heard. She likes, he likes, we like our free stripes. Him who had what, everybody heard. Him who had what, everybody heard. Think it's about time that I tell those bouncers I'm coming in with my shell code. Got me misunderstood in a zipped up hood. Maybe would have been better off rocking stiletto, but I won't go till they understand this. I was still walking in my white Stan Smiths and cut up the place quickly. I'm in and out, make a suck up the taste, spit a little lyric out. All day I dream about something I shouldn't be thinking about. Stop watching that thing that you're wearing and stop staring. Just put that drink in your mouth. It's the remix rolling along, and you know that it's hot when I'm holding a song. End all of the moaning, it's long these days. I'm in R.S and I'm cool.
Everybody knows that I'm not a goody-goody, cause I'm rocking my Adidas hoodie. You might not see me on the streets at night, but you definitely see my white free stripes. But your 2 stripe looks a bit fishy. One of your 3 stripes is missing, but not like Missy with the 1-2 step, or JME with the Adidas creps. Your brethren say, oh shit, when they see my tracksuit, they're like, James Nang, you see his hoodie, you get me fam. Hey brother, look at his creps. Then they see my exclusion and that, and they're like, rotted, cuz